Hey everyone, it's Coach Rowe, and I just wanted to say welcome. And what we're going to cover on this video today is the product overview of the Herbalife Formula One Shake. Yes, the Herbalife Formula One Shake. After all, that's what you searched in the search bar. Now, maybe you're looking for the Formula One Shake because you're looking to start living a healthy lifestyle, and you're looking for something that might work for you. Or maybe you've heard it being talked about so much because it's a very popular product. We've been around for 39 years. We're in 94 countries, and people are getting amazing results. It's the number one meal replacement shake sold in the entire wellness industry. And you just wanted to see what it was all about. And I'm going to give you a product overview. But before I do that, I want to tell you why I believe in this product and why I get excited about it. See, I worked in a prison for 10 years. And a lot of times we didn't eat right because we had to get forced overtime. And sometimes, we didn't have the food that we needed. We'd have to order out or just, not eat at all. And maybe that's the same way for you. Maybe you're a stay-at-home mom and you get the kids running around and you're just grabbing everything you can. Or not even a stay-at-home. Maybe you're a working mom, which makes you even busier, and you're just grabbing anything, and you don't have any energy by the end of the day, or maybe you're gaining weight, and you're like, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm hardly eating. Well, it's because it's not how much you're eating, it's what you're eating. Or maybe you work in an office and you're like me and you get stuck working a lot of overtime and you get forced and you're just grabbing anything you can and you're just not feeling good. Or maybe, you rush out the door in the morning, you don't eat breakfast, and instead of having a healthy breakfast, you just stop and get a donut and a muffin or a coffee or something, and you're not feeling good. And maybe you've just made a decision, I got to do something, and you're looking for something that works for you. Well, that's what happened with me, and I just started using the product 25 years ago, and I've been using it ever since. And I feel great. I'm going to be 56 years old in July. I go to the gym 6 days a week. I go to bed late. I get up early. I feel great. And not that we cure anything, but when you give your body what it needs in balance. And what's even more exciting than that is my mom and dad who got me started with it, they're 79 years old. And my dad still golfs, and my mom, they do yoga and Pilates. They go to the gym. They work out. They're out walking every day. They're out active every day. They volunteer. They take piano lessons. They've been doing that for years. And they're into technology. Their mind is sharp. They don't say, I don't want to deal with any of that. They're like, give me the information. I want to learn what we can do, because they're taking care of themselves. And a lot of it started with the Herbalife Formula One Shake. So what I like to do is just give you a quick overview of it so you can make your own informed decision, because as we know, so many people in life make a decision for themselves based on other people's opinion of something that they want to do. Sometimes it's about them. Sometimes it's about a decision they want to make. Sometimes it's about a lifestyle they want to make. So I want to just give you some information so you can make your own informed decision to see if this product's right for you. So listen, here we go, right? This product will kickstart your healthy eating habits with a Formula One Meal Replacement Nutritional Shake. That's exactly what this is. It's a delicious and easy way to treat your body to a nutritious and balanced meal in no time. And with a dense mix of proteins, carbs, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals, Formula One is everything you need in a glass. Everything you need, it's in a glass. And it's suitable for diabetics. And with over 10 flavors to choose from, you'll never get bored. And it's easy to customize your shake and nutritional needs. Here's what I want to share with you guys. Protein is vital to a healthy diet, as it's one of the essential building blocks for many cellular components in your body. Protein helps satisfy hunger. It builds muscle tissue, maintain lean muscle mass, and gives you energy. And when you consume 25 grams of soy protein a day as part of a diet low in saturated fat and cholesterol, you may reduce the risk of heart disease. One serving of Formula One provides 9 grams of soy protein. Now, clinical studies on U.S. Formula One study and on similar products show that Formula One shakes taken twice a day as part of a reduced-calorie diet along with moderate exercise helps people lose weight. Now, here's what I want to tell you guys. A little disclaimer. Herbalife nutrition products do not treat diabetes, but diabetics can use them. These products are gluten-free, except for cookies and cream and mint chocolate chips. So if you're into the gluten-free thing, we have 8 flavors that you can use. Let's talk about the key ingredients, because people always want to know about the ingredients. First thing they do is they become a label expert. I've been using this for 25 years. I couldn't tell you everything that's in here. I don't have to. We have over 100 doctors on our medical advisory board that put this product together, and it will not go in the market if it was not safe for us and effective. You know, and I don't know too many people that go to the grocery store and read every single label. You don't have to. You just trust what's in it. But I know for a fact what's in this is all good stuff. But let me give you a couple key benefits of this product, right? It's got 17 to 24 grams of high-quality protein to satisfy your hunger. And that's when it's prepared with 8 fluid ounces of non-fat milk and 1 serving, 2 scoops of protein drink mix, which you'll hear about in a later review. It's got 21 vitamins and minerals. It's only 170 calories when prepared as directed. It's got 0 cholesterol and 0 trans fats. That's amazing. And it's also a good source of fiber. It's an excellent source of antioxidants, vitamin A, as beta-carotene, C, and E. So I want to tell you this. Try the product. People always say, what's in it? It's got everything you need. I just read it to you. Everything you need, and there's more. I just gave you a quick overview. There'll be more of a description in the descriptions below. But here's what I want to tell you. You know, maybe you've tried a lot of products in the past, and you've spent like a lot of money, and it's sitting in your shelf, or you end up throwing it in the trash, and you're frustrated, and you're saying, you know, I don't know if I can try something new. I don't know if I want to spend money for a whole month. You know, first thing I got to tell you this. We got to stop living in the past. You can use your past as a place of reference, but don't use it as a place of residence. Don't live there. Just because something didn't work for you the first time doesn't mean there's not something there's not something out there that'll work for you. But see, I don't want you to spend all kind of money on 30 days when you don't even know if it's going to be for you, and I don't even know if we can work together. So what we have is a 3-day product experience pack. A 3-day product experience pack. So you can try it for 3 days. It's got 6 meal replacement shakes. It's got a couple other products in it. You can click on the link below in the description and learn more about it. But the reason why it's a 3-day experience pack is because if you're not going to like it after 3 days or 1 day or 2 days or 3 days, then it's just not something for you. And I don't want you to invest in it, and I don't want you to spend some money on something that's not going to work for you. So listen, here's what I want you to do. I want you to please share this message. Leave a message in the messenger below. Leave comments. But really, here's what I want you to do. Make an educated decision. Make an educated decision on what is right for you. Try our 3-day product experience pack, and let's get you started. And I'll work with you for 3 days. I'll follow up with you with either phone calls, text message, or messenger, whatever works for you. Because a lot of times it's not that the product that doesn't work, it's that we don't have the coaching and we don't have the focus. And if I can give you a little mind shift and get you focused on your results, you're going to do exactly that. So listen, I'm Coach Rowe, and I just want to tell you this. I appreciate you. Thank you for taking a look at my video, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.